Welcome back, guys. Let's double check the Hyper USDT trading pair with my customer care set. What's going on now with this token, guys? Take a look how brilliant the initiation accumulation pump model works and how the price respect the level. So here today we saw this week, by the way, and yes, today we saw the exactly rejection at 1694.38 level by FIB. We not stop it at 100 EMA and reject it. We go directly just a few cents more to 38 level by FIB. So this is a example. Everything what you see on the charts, it's just a basic algorithm. So you remember the first video about a hyper after listing in April 25. We need just one daily candle. Single close, right? And we can determine the zone of interest and we dump it to the first zone of interest. We consolidate here. First of all, one touch, second touch, bounce it, consolidate and go to new all-time high. After that, we just sweep the liquidity pool. If we cut all noise, this level in June 25 was the main top. So this one, it just was a noise, right? And we just grab liquidity, liquidate the people who opened the crazy long position with or short position. I mean, with a 100x leverage or 50x leverage, so they get a liquidations. All right, we retested the zone of fixation profit. After that, I guess this was a listing on an upbeat or something. I don't remember exactly why we pump it, but you can double check or ask Grok or ChatGPT what's happening in June 5. After that, we come back and test again the zone of interest, and under we still have this the best zone to buy. It's 6 cents 19, 4 cents 22. Honestly, I don't think so. We will drop again to these blocks, right? And now, if we're already close over than 50% of this week, right, on the daily time frame, we can climb it up to the top and break of structure. So this is an order flow. So we build an order flow since June 25. So this one. And at least we will come back, guys, to 31.89, 34.28. So two zone of interest. This was the first one. Second one, zone of fixation profit. Everything pretty simple. Invalidation if the token dump under 0.205. I don't think so. We will drop so low, at least now. Maybe in the future, yes. By EMA. So here, weekly. So the road will be open to test 20 EMA. First one, it's 1747 around here. After that, the rule will be open to the zone of fixation profit. Monthly time frame, here the fulfill 23, 22, also like a magnet. So this is one and only a monthly gap. So this is a target 200 EMA on 12 time frame. We already retested, so would be good to see the just continuation, because if not, we will drop again to 1380. At 1380 makes sense to open long. To open long now, it's kind of risky because the stop loss we should add under the main liquidity pool is 27%. So even with the second leverage, no makes sense to open trade. So makes sense, try maybe open some long position if we will see the pullback at least to 0.5. You know, this with the stop loss under this one, so 20% stop loss with second leverage. You can add smaller one stop loss, for example, with the target, so 20% against 300. So this is a swing trade, potential swing trades. Opens everything, of course, just between the 13 and 1177, so in this range. So you see that in one tiny 2 cents, we got like weekly open, daily open, monthly open, yearly open, everything in one place. So this is a crucial level of support. Now, if we not hold this level, the next step of support will be just 6 cents 19. So this is it. ADZ direction, guys. This is a 12 time frame here, daily. All this in period was a main accumulation. Main accumulation, pump, distribution. Now it's neutral. So it's not after the pump. Kind of strange. After the pump, it's not a distribution, not even close. So it's good. It's good. A time to sell, I guess, will be at fix some profit, and it will be not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit. So if you bought, for example, at 12, at 20, at 24, 25 cents, it's not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit. So this was accumulation. So if you track, with my customer said, the hyper, so since December 21, it was just like a chop zone, with the consolidation and accumulation based on a direction indicator. So it's a good one. It's good. Congrats everybody who opened trade. Now it's not a time to out, at least daily. Market mood, some kind of like a trill zone. Of course, after the crazy candle on the daily, like 35% in one candle, maybe some news we saw. This is some trill zone. So soon, yes, of course, the people will start hopping into the stock and talk about how we go into the moon. So locally, weekly time frame, we're still in aphoria, so be careful. 12 time frame, if you open trade at 11 with a cycle average at 16, it's also not a mistake to guys fix some profit and that's the stop loss to the break even. So this is it. Money power, guys, take a look. Here was a money in, main one, December 18. Money out, some fixation, now nothing. So we pump at 35%, but without any money outflow. Daily, here was some money in, money out. Now on a pump, no money out. It's good. And the weekly, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row was money accumulation. So we can say some whales accumulated 1488, 1262, 1297. So approximately the average entry, like let's say 1350, right? So I'm more than sure we will go one day to this block, 31, 34, and to new all-time high. So just a matter of time. And trade on, take profits. Let's close the money power. No data on the weekly time frame and the daily. Take profit, guys. First test and the first rejection we will see at around number 20 cents. It's a take profit line, 20, 10 cents, 20 and 10. Exit line, it's 22.59. This one. Buy line on the daily, now it's 9 cents 95. Fundamental value of this token is 752, so I don't think so. We're going to drop to fundamental value of this token. 12-hour time frame, soon we will see the test, maybe even today. Take profit 1739, exit line 1959. So pay attention, you can add even alerts. So at this area, I guess it makes sense maybe to open some local short position for hyper. So this is a buy line on the 12 time frame. Now it's 873. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. Trade on, the last one indicator, guys. Here, buy, take profit. It's really important, guys. I highly recommend it all the time. Just add alert to take profit from the sales also. Not only take profit from the buys. So here, the sale was the main one. Jewel, some 26. We drop it, not here. Take profit signal is us to close the short position because we dump it on Donald Trump dump, bounce it, and on that candle we didn't see on a daily take profit. So it was not the end of correction. And after that, from here again from 24. We dump it to 11, and only after that, in zone of interest, the same zone of interest what I shared in April 25, we see the signal take profit, buy, recommendation close position. Now, no signals to sell or buy because the main one was there. 4-hour time frame here, the last one, buy was December 18, recommendation close position on that pump. This is a take profit from the buys. And soon we will see the signals to sell. Let's add alert to sell. So we will see the notification. So guys, local zones, I show you we're more than okay to try open long position. We're more than okay to try catch some short position. I also showed you in the main targets for swing trades until we trade inside this initiation accumulation pump model. You also know. So I highly recommend you just add alerts and track it. If you would like to trade with my customer site or showed on this video, use right medium. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.